San Miguel on Catanos Island in the Philippines is experiencing torrential rains due to Typhoon Vong Wong, which is currently battering the country. The heavy rains in San Miguel have caused widespread flooding, inundating streets, homes, and farms. Typhoon Vong Wong has brought severe weather disturbances, including strong winds and dangerous thunderstorms. The flooding in San Miguel today has brought traffic to a near standstill and caused power outages in several areas of Catanos Island.
Yeah, here it is. That's a big one. Oh, shit. Wow. Oh, my God. I got to get the hell out of here. Grabe pa raw.
The heavy rains in the Philippines, a result of Typhoon Vong Wong, have prompted authorities to declare a state of emergency in some low-lying areas. Typhoon Vong Wong continues to move northward, increasing the risk of flash floods and landslides. Residents of San Miguel are suffering from the effects of the severe flooding and ongoing storms caused by Typhoon Vong Wong. The heavy rainfall in the Philippines in 2025 is among the heaviest this season and underscores the increasing frequency of extreme weather events in the country. Flooding in San Miguel and Catanos Island has become a major news story in the Philippines today due to the severity of Typhoon Vong Wong and the devastation it has caused. Typhoon Vong Wong has destroyed homes and infrastructure in the Philippines and displaced hundreds of families from coastal areas. The Philippine Weather Bureau warns of continued heavy rain in the coming days due to Typhoon Vong Wong, which is bringing massive amounts of water from the Pacific Ocean. The storms and flooding in San Miguel and Catanos Island resulting from Typhoon Vong Wong highlight the impact of climate change on the Philippines and the increasing intensity of tropical cyclones. The flooding in the Philippines today, caused by Typhoon Vong Wong, underscores the need for better preparedness and a more efficient early warning system. The heavy rains and flooding in San Miguel have forced rescue teams to work around the clock to rescue residents affected by Typhoon Vong Wong. Please share this video with your friends. Please support us with a like and subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest updates. Thank you for watching.